This is the 2019 Land Rover Discovery Sport HSE. This particular one has the front fog lights, front headlight washers, as well as the HID headlight system. On this 2019 Discovery Sport HSE, it also has the iconic clamshell hood. From the side, the factory 18-inch wheels on the all-season tires look fantastic on the 2019 Discovery Sport HSE. At the rear, we also have the gestured tailgate, which you can open and close with the kick of your leg. One of the nicer features as well, we've got the power folding rear seats. From the front seats of the 2019 Discovery Sport HSE, we've got kind of your standard controls. These are for the different terrain types. If you take your vehicle off-roading, it comes equipped with a heated windscreen, so there's an actual heating element in the glass of the windshield. It's also got the upgraded 10-inch infotainment display, which is a touchscreen as well. We've got a front USB charge port. We've got the transmission gear selector, which raises up out of the center console as well. And then the biggest, most important thing, the front seats are heated and cooled as well. From the back seats, we've got the cargo nets on the back of the two front seats. This one has the two USB ports for power in the rear, as well as your kind of traditional 12-volt outlet. The rear seats are also adjustable. You're able to move them back and forwards. And you've got the large fixed panoramic roof as well to make it just feel that much more open.